Mohammed. I'm from Al Fazl International Social Media. So, how are you finding the Jazz experience?
Oh, yeah, the Jazz experience was so fantastic. After 1.5 years almost, not Huzu, we've not been able to see Huzu. Seeing Huzu for the first time, it was even more emotional. And looking at the development that is taking place on different places where Ahmadiyya has been established, we were listening to whole things, and it goes on and goes on. We could not even keep on even standing up when you feel like even going to ease yourself. You feel no, you miss something because you wanted to hear everything. So we've enjoyed it. I don't know the words that I can express that can, take hold of what my feeling of the jazz are as far as what I've heard so far. So I was so grateful.
Just hearing that from you almost brings tears to my eyes because it's just been a very emotional roller coaster. I think the last day or two because for everyone. We've not seen Huzur for so long, and I think this is the closest experience I personally find that the people, which, for example, in Pakistan or in Africa, which can't come and see Huzur, this is how they must feel every day. And for us, at least we have a break.
You will have opportunity on day 3 when you will recite trademark, I would say, famous slogan, energy, La ilaha illallah. Are you ready for that?
No, we are more than ready for that, yeah, because we've been rehearsing for the whole week.
How does it feel, not just Huzur, Khalifatul Masih, the whole world is watching you when you're reciting with the passion and energy, La ilaha illallah?
Yeah, we felt it because to say La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah, that's the kalima for the Jamaat, for the whole Muslim world. So we say it, and we say it with more passion, with everything that human being can never, think of. Yes.
It's not just a beautiful voice; it's with the feeling.
Yeah, with the feeling, with the text, with the feeling. That's not the voice, but with the feeling. Actually, that to recite the kalima, that's the feeling of it.
So shall we just recite one first line and the rest we will wait for tomorrow? So please.
Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ala ali Muhammad wa barik wa salim.
Amen.
La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah. La ilaha Muhammadur Rasulullah. Yes, thank you. We reserve the rest for tomorrow.
No, thank you so much for your time. And I can feel the energy and the passion and true love for Islam and true love for oneness of Allah Ta'ala. Because we, being Ahmadi Muslim, we not just sing it, but we practice it. And we serve our life to bring everyone under the flag of Ahmadiyyat, Islam and Allah Ta'ala. So gentlemen, thank you so much for your time, and we'll see you and hear you tomorrow.
Muhammad Rasulullah. La ilaha illallah. Muhammad Rasulullah. La